I'm going to show you how to raise your vibration at any moment of the day. When I speak the words vibration, that means to raise how you feel in your body. We're going to raise our vibration. Why? Because once you raise how you feel, then great things will start to attract to you in your life. If you want to be a successful person, just model what other successful people do. So I ask you right now to consider, and as you're listening to my voice, to go ahead and model what I'm about to do for 60 seconds. I want you to do the same thing that I'm doing right now. All praises to the Most High God is the greatest. All praises to the Most High God is the greatest. All praises to the Most High God is the greatest. All praises to the Most High God is the greatest. All praises to the Most High God is the greatest. All praises to the Most High God is the greatest. All praises to the Most High God is the greatest. All praises to the Most High God is the greatest.
4 things that poor people do that the rich don't. Number 1, poor people watch too much TV. Rich people, we read books. Write it down. 2, poor people get paid for time. Rich people, we get paid for value. Which means this: based off the value I give to the marketplace, I make more money. You can be the best waiter on the planet, but as long as you get paid for time, you will never get rich. Number 3, poor people think they know everything. They know how to market, they know what to read, they know everything, but yet your bank account is not full of money. Rich people, hey, we're willing to learn every single day of my life. Like me, I learn every day. Number 4, poor people, they just never take action consistently. They can watch videos like this, they can be inspired, they can buy a program, they can buy a system. They don't do anything with it. And if they do it for about 2 days. That's poor people. Rich people, we take massive action. Just do it! I love you guys so much. This is Wesley. $1 version.
Listen up. Hey folks, this is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Listen close. Let me teach you how to manifest whatever you want. Now listen, these cars here are nothing but a representative of what I've done, okay? And listen close. Everything I've created is with my mind, okay? You see that yellow here? The euros? That was with my mindset here. Now this is for all my skeptics. Come here, let me show you something here. You see that? This is the reason why I'm winning, because Wes wins. Listen, first step to manifesting everything that you want. Number 1, you must have an intention. You have to know what you want. I wanted this. That's why I got it. Number 2, you must meditate. What does it mean? I don't mean just sitting down and doing this. Meditation means get familiar with you, your mindset here. And number 3, it's important while you're meditating to use a very, very unique frequency to get what you want. Listen, I know some of you young people on YouTube right now and you're getting ready to go to the next video, but listen, it's a few things that happen in life that allows you to live your dream. You either listen or you don't. Click the link below and let me show you how I manifested whatever I want and how you can do it too. Let's go.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and